Quarantine is in full effect. Coronavirus is spreading like butter. But have no fear, folks. If you're sitting at home wondering, what am I going to cook? What am I going to eat? What are we going to do? Don't worry. I got you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fast, quick, simple, easy, delicious meal that you can feed your family anytime, any day, anywhere, with probably the most hoarded item in your house right now, and that is toilet paper. Let's do it. Alright folks, so before we can get started cooking, let's go over some of the essentials we're going to need. As you can see here, I've got a pot for cooking, I've got a pot for mixing, I've got a couple stirring utensils, so we got a measuring cup, herbs and spices, salt, pepper, and of course, the one and only toilet paper. Now as you can see here, I've got a fresh pack of toilet paper. You want to make sure you get this fresh, not frozen. So first things first, we're going to go and take this guy out and we're going to give a little massage. We're just going to loosen up all that exterior, get all that skin, that nastiness out. We don't want that. We're going to toss that right out. So once you've broken through the skin, go ahead and get yourself a nice piece of toilet paper. Alright, so we're just going to cut these up into little pieces, just like lettuce. You don't want to use a knife, you want to use your fingers and tear those guys up. That way we can get them to cook nice and evenly. Next, you want to sprinkle in some salt and pepper, and then go ahead and add any of your favorite herbs or spices. For this recipe, I will be using thyme and garlic powder. Alright, so now it's time to add the liquid. So let's go ahead and measure out a cup of cold water, and then go ahead and pour it in your mixture. Once that's complete, go ahead and give it a little whisk, just so we can incorporate all those wonderful flavors with each other. So once we got our mixture set, we're going to go ahead and stick this in the refrigerator to marinate for a couple hours.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Once that's done marinating, go ahead and take that puppy out, give it a nice little whiff. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, so to start the cooking process, we're going to go ahead and put our pot on the stove, add some water, maybe a little sprinkle of salt just to help that water boil, and then go ahead and turn it on to medium to high heat. Now once you see your water starting to boil, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our mixture. Give it a nice little twirl. Just make sure everything's in there evenly. Nice little tap, and then we'll cover it and let it cook. We'll reduce the heat and let that simmer for about 20 minutes. After that's done, you can go ahead and uncover it, and ooh, it's already starting to smell good. That's going to be ready to serve. We'll go ahead and pour that into a bowl. Pop in your favorite spoon, and you are ready to go. Well, there you have it, folks. A fun, quick, delicious, easy meal that you can prepare at home right now. Tune in next time where I'm going to teach you guys how to make toilet paper lasagna. Goody. Until then, stay safe, stay hungry.